Good morning. So the morning starts off with cloudy conditions in the eastern part of the country, and that also includes Gauteng. As a result, maximum temperatures will be slightly lower this afternoon in the eastern part of the country because we missed out on all of that heating during the morning. And then later today, also thunderstorms for eastern South Africa, this time mainly in the Free State parts of northwest, showers later this afternoon and into this evening along the east coast of the country and the adjacent interior. And then also a small possibility for a few isolated afternoon thunderstorms in the southern part of Gauteng and in Mpumalanga, and then overnight a cold front will make landfall along the Garden Route, and that will bring some rainfall to parts of the Western and Eastern Cape tomorrow. A windy day across most of the country for this Thursday. Windy conditions in and around Gauteng, a strong southeasterly wind along the southwest coast and in Cape Town. We had that wind already starting yesterday afternoon, and it's going to be a strong southeasterly wind for the next couple of days in the Western Cape, especially along the coastline. And then overnight it will also become very windy over the Karoo area with wind speeds between 35 and 45 kilometers per hour. Your rainfall map for today shows a possibility of thunderstorms in eastern South Africa. It's going to be a dry day in the west, a 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms for parts of the Free State, the eastern half of the Eastern Cape and in KwaZulu-Natal, morning drizzle along the eastern escarpment of Limpopo and in Mpumalanga, and then a small possibility for a few isolated afternoon showers and thunderstorms also in southern Gauteng. Let's take a look at your temperatures. And now in Mpumalanga, we're looking at 20 this afternoon in Ermelo, 21 in Johannesburg and 24 in Pretoria. And then a possibility of thunderstorms, especially over the central and eastern part of northwest, with a maximum of 28 in Potchefstroom, and then also morning rain along the eastern escarpment. For the Free State today, a maximum of 28 in Welkom, 24 in Bethlehem, with a possibility of thunderstorms also over the central and eastern part of the province, and then thunderstorms in the eastern half of the Eastern Cape and also across KwaZulu-Natal for today. 29 in Ladysmith, 26 in Pietermaritzburg and 21 in Mthatha. Along the east coast of the country, also a possibility for some thunderstorms to move over from the interior, and then overnight we're also expecting showers along the coastline, and that will be as the high pressure system starts ridging in. 22 today in East London with a southeasterly swell of 1.5 meters. Sunny and warm today over the southern interior, especially towards the western part. 35 in Vredendal, 30 today in Worcester. Along the south coast, 22 in Mossel Bay and Plettenberg Bay, with a moderate to fresh onshore wind and a southwesterly swell of 2 meters along the south coast. Sunny and hot for the Northern Cape today. A temperature of 36 in Uppington, 34 in Prieska and 33 degrees Celsius in Kimberley. And then 23 this afternoon in the mother city with that strong southerly to southeasterly wind in that area and a southeasterly swell of 2.5 meters. Tomorrow we expect even more thunderstorms in and around Gauteng. It warms up once again, 29 in Pretoria, 27 in Johannesburg. Now a possibility of rain along the south and the east coast, and that's from that cold front that's making landfall overnight. And then on Saturday, more stormy conditions, especially for central South Africa, and a possibility of morning storms in Gauteng, while the rain will continue along the east coast, but it starts clearing up in the south, and a hot day in Cape Town with 29, but still that strong southeasterly wind. That's where I leave it for now, but I will be back in the next hour with more live weather.